This is the Meek PPV Quick Installation Guide. Lay out your vinyl to flatten. You're going to need a vinyl squeegee, a water bottle with water, rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, a mild dish soap, something to clean the surface of the vehicle with, something to cut the vinyl with, and a lint-free microfiber cloth. The very first thing you want to do is clean the surface of the vehicle. As you're cleaning, it's a really good idea to also do hinges, fenders, door handles, anything that the vinyl panel could come in contact with while you're installing it. Next, you're going to mix your alcohol with your water, and you're going to go over the surface one more time. This will help get rid of any greases or oils. I recommend to trim around your vinyl to make manageable panels. Next, you're going to start peeling the vinyl off the backing. Once you've got a good section of vinyl peeled off, cut off the excess backing. You're going to line up the vinyl with the vehicle and let a small portion of it touch to get it to hold in place. Next, you're going to use your slip tack solution to spray down the vehicle and the back of the vinyl. As you spray down, you're going to remove the backer. The slip tack solution now has your water with your isopropyl or rubbing alcohol mixed in and a squirt of dish soap. You want to spray just enough slip tack solution so that you can float the vinyl on the vehicle, meaning that you can slide it around and move it into position and align it. Once you think you have your vinyl lined up, I would step back and take a look just to make sure that it's even. When you're good with that, you're going to start to squeegee. I recommend squeegeeing a little more delicately from the start. This is just to get the panel to stick. The goal of squeegeeing is to remove all of the slip tack solution from between the vinyl and the vehicle. You're going to squeegee from the center outwards and from top to bottom. As you squeegee, you're going to use your microfiber cloth to wipe off any excess slip tack solution that comes out from underneath the vinyl. You're going to continue the installation process by trimming out more vinyl panels. And follow the same installation methods by spraying down the vehicle with the slip tack solution, spraying the back of the vinyl with the slip tack solution, and squeegeeing the vinyl once it's aligned and in place. You need to get all of the slip tack solution out from between the vinyl and the vehicle, so going over it a few extra times is definitely recommended. For the smaller panels, you can dry install them. Installation complete. Meek PPV is pre-cut paint protective vinyl. DIY install wet or dry, light duty protection, stays on for up to a few years. Thank you for watching.